Alright, so what's going on, y'all? Listen, today we gonna pick the winner for the giveaway. Sorry about my voice, man. I just got up like an hour ago. So today we gonna pick the winner for the $50 giveaway today. I've been meaning to do that for a couple days, but just been busy at work. So let's hop on the computer real quick and let's pick the winner real quick, y'all. Alright, let's see what we got here. Sorry about my little screen. I'm trying to go to Google. And we want to go to Gleam. Alright. So the contest has finished. Dang, it's been 11 days. My bad. I didn't even realize it's been that long, y'all. So we're going to get this finished with today, though. $50 gift card giveaway. Winners. Alright, man. Good luck to whoever the winner is. So congratulations to MARC, man. I will be contacting you probably within the next couple hours or so. Appreciate the support, man, and everybody else. I'm surprised there was only 20 entries out of that video got quite a few views, and there was only 20 entries. Maybe people just didn't listen well enough for the instruction in order to get into the actual giveaway, but that's all right. Better next time maybe we get a few more people in there. All right, we just gonna go and email MARC right now, just so y'all know, man, that these giveaways is not fake. I would never do fake giveaways. That's just stupid. But let's email MARC right now and let him know, man, he's the winner. And then obviously you guys will see this video posted in about probably an hour or two. Paste. This is the email here. Want to edit that. All right, that seems legit. All right, email. All right, subject was $50. I'm just messing up here. It's hard to do this with one hand, man. $50. Giveaway. Alright.
A few moments later.
Alright, so I wasn't about to keep trying to hold the phone and message him, but pretty much I just said, what's up, MARC? Congratulations you are the winner for the $50 giveaway. Obviously, I appreciate his support, so I told him I appreciate his support just to email me back on how he wants that $50, either because I told you guys I was gonna either do a $50 gift card or any type of gift card you wanted, or if you just wanted a $50 Visa, so you can spend the 50 bucks anywhere you want. So pretty much that's it. Let's go ahead and just send that bad boy out. Send. Just so y'all know, we not, making no fake giveaways, man. I don't know how some channels be doing that, be having giveaways and never give nothing, actually give anything away. So just to let y'all know, that email was sent to him. And hopefully he'll respond back to us in a couple minutes or so. But I just want to let everybody know, man, I really do appreciate y'all support, man. I know this ain't a huge channel, but sometimes you don't need a huge channel, man. Just the little channels, they matter too, man. So, appreciate y'all again, man. Stay tuned for videos. My guy, we're gonna bring some different content to the channel. My guy just bought some new cars. We're gonna start bringing him on the channel. He got some crazy LS's, IS's. Just bought a new IS 300. Go to give him a matter of fact. Go just jump on his channel real quick. His name Jason Chow is gonna pop up right here. Just go subscribe to him. He just bought an IS 300 2001, I think, and then he got a newer IS as well that's dropped lower, got rims on it, mods, like it's crazy sick. So just make sure y'all check his channel out. He do a lot of travel videos. I'm not sure if he got a lot of his car content on there, but just go check him out. And also, I think that's it, man. I think that's all I got for y'all today. Hopefully Dodge come out with some news, man, for this wide body, because I want it, and I haven't heard nothing about it the last couple months. It's just been like real low key. That's it, man. We out. Peace.